guys, it's Sixtaflix, and hey, why are these num-nums here? Wait a second. I see now. There's a num-num 13 pack.
And there's a 4-pack.
Oh, so cool. I think these num-nums want us to open them. Let's get started.
First we have the Fun Fair Sweet Treat.
Treats. So are you gonna open this first? Okay. Oopsie. Okay. So first we have, look at the list. We have okay, look at this. We have popcorn. So this is a little popcorn. Super cute. Yeah, it's scented like popcorn. And you can stack them up. Okay. Next, we have Caramel Millie. Wait, what's it say? Let's read it.
Caramilli.
So this is Caramel.
Or Millie.
That's the Caramel. And she's
Mellow?
a little, what do you call them?
Apple.
Common apples. So now she is, and next we have, this is Pinkie Puffs right here. Pinkie Puffs. She's a little cotton candy. And this is the last one. It is a go-go. Oh, wait. This is the last one. It's a little go-go. Don't turn it on right now. So this is the little go-go. So that means it moves. And yeah, just push the button on top. And there it is moving. So it moves around, and that's it. So it moves around a bit. Okay.
It smells like peanuts.
There's also a little container on this that you can stack them all up. And a little, like, fork. Can I show it to them? And the little container has a little bite in it. And here's a little fork. So you can eat your num-nums. Wahaha. Let's put the go-go in it first. Okay, so here are them all stacked up. We couldn't get them to stay very well. They keep falling. And now we are going to open this 13-pack. Okay, so this says it's the little lunch box. That's backwards, isn't it? Okay, but anyways, and it has a little spoon handle, and it's like a 13-pack. Yeah, I already said that. And it has a little mystery num-num in it. So let's get started opening this. Okay, so this is the little creamy corn, creamy corn or whatever. And okay, next we have where are the grapes? No, the grapes. Okay, this is Victor Vines. This is Victor Vines. Where's the face? Oh, here's the face. This is what is it called? Oscar Orange. But I'm gonna make it a Mana. Okay. So Oscar. And this is Peppermint or something like that. I don't think I pronounced that right. Okay. This is Brooklyn Blue. She's a little like lollipop. This is Nana Holtz. She says something like so sweet on her. You probably can't see that. And her ear says hug me. This is Wendy Wildberry. She's a donut. This is Maple Sugar, I think. This is Cherry Ann. This is Peachy Stampit. And these are the Slice and Wedge Erase It. And the two little that can come together. And these two can, wait, where is it? These two can fit in here. These two can fit in here because there's a little pouch. But I'm not really going to attempt to do it right now because we're sort of busy. So, bye. Thanks for watching.